Hello, okay, it's me, William, okay, and I'm back with my car. So as you can see, yep, the green color thing there. So that's my car. Yeah, so let me just share with you what happened with my car and why I decided to send it in to the workshop. Okay. Okay, so what happened previously was that whenever I turn the steering wheel, okay, especially example if I do this and I let go, as I return back, there's a knocking sound, okay, and whenever I turn the other side and let go, same thing happen, and also when I do this slightly, okay. So I was suspecting it could be the steering rack, but when we went to the workshop, they couldn't detect any noise outside under at the undercarriage. Okay, so there's no sound at all. That's why the technician, they have decided that this could be the steering column or the steering rack itself. So that's why I have to leave my car over at the workshop for a couple of days. I don't want to give them the pressure, and they finally fixed up for me. And guess how much is the bill? It's a lot. Okay, it's a lot. I can't remember if I still have the oops. I can't remember if I still have the bill with me, but I remember overall it cost me about 2,000 for this repair. Of course, to be fair to the workshop, I mean I requested them to do a normal service for me because after all it's time. Just to share with you. Okay. So you should service okay, usually when you have you went to go for servicing and all that, so you have your mileage next oil change when, and then you have your next service date when. If you reach your date, you should go and service. If you reach your mileage first, then you should also go and service. Okay, some people they always tend to like to wait until they reach the mileage. So but sometimes because maybe they don't drive a lot, so your next service due date arrive before the what you call that, the mileage, your oil will have deteriorated. Okay, so you should go and service. So mine, I need to service actually in the month of July. So right now it's July. So yeah, I went and serviced. So I took a semi-synthetic oil change for the engine oil, and I get them to fix this up. So I'm actually here today again at the Uptown tire shop, and I'm gonna go down there and see actually what is the thing that cost me the 2,000 ringgit. Okay. Excluding the service, I understand actually the thing that cost it was the steering rack that cost about 1,007. Okay, and we're not even taking the highest. I mean, not the original part from Proton itself. It's just the OEM part. Okay, so let's go down and have a look. So this is my first time seeing the car taken out like that. So that's the shop that I went to. Okay, Uptown Tires. Oh, that's the boss. Hey, 小阿 Jonathan 呢？未響啊？有啊，我講我訪問佢嘛。係咯，你做得 OK 嗎？哎 ，Bro，how are you？ Good 啊 ，Good 啊。So OK 啦， so far 沒有什麼問題。Yep， 用到也是 OK 啊。哎，这附近沒有什麼車。比較近一點啦。Go see the thing that cost me 2,000 sorry, 1,007 I purposely asked Jonathan to help me keep it. So this young guy is Jonathan. He is actually the 是算 owner 嗎？可以叫 owner part owner of the shop 啦。Very honest guy. So also very nice guy. So this is the thing. 這個就是那個 steering rack 啊。那時候你講。我的那个 mask。So 这个是 normally 那个 steering column 是 connect 去哪一边的？我们的 steering column。
这个 connect 到下面的。
这个是下面了吗？这是外面了吗？哈。把这一 part 是去我们的 steering column 嘛
？steering 这边咯。
OK。
steering 那边的咯。
哦 ，OK。所以这个就去下面，然后去会 split left right 啊。哦，是这样啊，OK，哇 ，OK， 没有 ，OK，
这个就下到去那个 steering rack 那边的。
哦 ，steering rack 那边，所以去这个不是 steering rack 啊，
不是，
这是它的什么 electric power steering 那个 unit 啊，还是什么？
叫它 SC steering SC。
哦 ，steering SC 啊，steering assembly 啦。 OK， 看看看，都是 ZF 的哦，是 ZF 的咩 ？OK 啦，6年，不错啦。So far 其实这辆车我用了整6年，这个是我最大的一个 major problem 了嘛。
哦，
那个也是因为乱撞 RAM 哦。So the moral of the story is don't simply go up RAM at excessive speed. Okay, it will cost you a lot. 这就 connect 去那个 steering 上。OK， 哦，这是我第一次看这样的东西啦 ，actually。我们罗里的就应该不是这样吧，我也不清楚啦。
罗里的应该也没有。
我们的是 hydraulic power assistance，so 没有那些 electrical 的东西的。
那些比较好，
啊
比较省修啦，那些。
啊，
老油了就漏油啊。
最多漏油了咯，但没办法，因为罗里的话一定要是how to say 啊，我们一定是要low maintenance 嘛，所以因为是初用嘛。
是咯。
哦，对咯。Okay, so if you guys actually you have some， 你们有做什么东西去在这边，在这个你们的这个 shop？
tire，
painting 啊 ，painting 全部都有啦。啊 ，OK。如果要做 modification 呢，那些你们有帮手做吗？暂时没有啦，暂时没有啊。But 你讲 tire 也是有噻 ，tire 也是有啊。OK。Okay, interesting. So, yep, they have a lot of things they do here. Okay, some tires. Yeah, they do tire servicing. I even actually got my brake checked over here as well. So that's the owner there. Okay, he's actually very, very humble, very nice guy. So you guys can come here and check out your servicing and all that. Okay, this is Uptown Tires. Feel free to drop by and check them out anytime. Okay, so after trying out their service, these Uptown Tires, quite like them, you know. I find the owners pretty honest with their what do you call that? With their opinions and their recommendation, all right. And then also, most importantly for me, any workshop that you go to is that, of course, owners should be honest. And second thing, I think that they should be knowing what they are doing. They should know what they are doing, because a lot of times, let's say you're not very mechanically inclined like me, it's good that you find somebody who know what they're doing, so they can advise you what are the good things that you want to change and what things you should change, and when you should do that. Okay, so far, yeah, when I went there, it's good. You know, I'm happy with their services. So if you guys want to try out their services, okay, I do highly recommend. Just go to the shop, look for Jonathan, and you know, have a chat with him. He's a very nice guy to chat with. Every time I go, I feel so sorry because I take away time from him, because we chat about cars. So yeah, do give them a try. Okay, and of course, lastly is that if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so, guys. We really need your subscribe as much as you can. You know, if you have so far liked our videos, please share with your friends, you know, because we need that by November. Hey, this coming November, we are 1 year old now. Okay, and also remember to give us a like and leave us a comment. You know, what other things that you want to see from us in the future. So of course, I can't guarantee that we can do everything, okay, because we're still very small, privately funded by my own wallet, by the way. So yeah, your subscribe, your likes and all this, you know, it will help us a lot in the future, so that we can do more amazing videos for you guys. Okay, so remember, subscribe, give us a like, share and comment underneath here, below here, okay, what you want to see in the future, and hopefully we'll be able to do for you. Alright, thank you guys, and see you in the next video. Ciao!